Hi there. Today we're going to be making boiled eggs. Boiled eggs are a classic, versatile dish that can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to boil eggs perfectly every time. Gather your supplies. To get started, you'll need a few supplies. Eggs, a large pot. Water, a slotted spoon. An ice bath. Boil the water. Fill your pot with enough water to cover the eggs by an inch or two. Place the pot on the stove and bring the water to a boil over high heat. Add the eggs. Once the water is boiling, gently add the eggs to the pot with a slotted spoon. If you're making a large batch of eggs, make sure they're not overcrowded in the pot. Cook the eggs. Reduce the heat to low and let the eggs simmer for 8-12 minutes depending on the size and desired level of doneness. For soft-boiled eggs, cook for 4-6 minutes. For medium-boiled eggs, cook for 6-8 minutes. For hard-boiled eggs, cook for 8-12 minutes. Chill the eggs. Once the eggs are cooked, remove them from the hot water with a slotted spoon. Transfer the eggs to an ice bath and let them cool for a few minutes. This will stop the cooking process and make it easier to peel the eggs. Peel and serve. Once the eggs are cool, gently tap them on the counter to crack the shell. Roll the egg gently on the counter to loosen the shell. Peel the shell off, starting from the wider end and working your way around. And that's it. You now know how to boil eggs perfectly every time. Boiled eggs can be enjoyed as is, or you can use them as a base for other dishes such as egg salad or deviled eggs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Daily How to Solutions.